Hello internet friends. In this video I am continuing to work on the right wing. But a couple updates. So I wish I would have discovered this at the beginning of my build. So next time someone asks me what tools they need to build an airplane, I'm going to recommend this stand that I got for 40 or 50 bucks at Harbor Freight. But basically it's a grinder stand. I had mounted my grinder to one of my tables, and I drilled 4 holes and then mounted at the end of the table, and that worked well to, it worked to, deburr things. You don't really grind anything on the airplane. You use the deburring wheel, and that's super helpful to help deburr small parts and ribs and all that. You can't really deburr skins, they're too big. But anyway, I saw somebody else's video, the VRs. I saw this and I thought this is such a great idea. I wish I could go back to 3 years ago in 2020 when I started building and build this, because it would have made it so much better. So once I mount the grinding wheel on there, then I can maneuver it to wherever I want, and it has enough like heft and weight that it's stable. So I recommend this. It's, like I said, it's like 40 or 50 bucks from Harbor Freight. You mount the grinder on it, and it will make it so much easier to maneuver wherever you need it to be to grind whatever part you need to. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna start using it in the middle of this video, so you'll see an example of it in action. Okay, let's see, what else? Questions. Someone asked, how much space do you need to build an airplane? Well, take a look at this. This is a 3-car garage, and I am using 2 or 1.5 bays, so you could probably do it in one. You'll see me back the car back into the garage, pull the car into the garage when I'm done. So that's what I do. I just pull the car out in the morning, then I, oh, in fact, here, look, I'm using the grinding wheel. See how much easier that is? I can position it wherever I want. Yeah. So anyway, like I said, I pull the car out, and then in the morning or whenever I leave the car outside, and then when it's time to build, come back inside and use the space until I'm done, and then pull the car back in. Super helpful are these tables, rolling tables. So I push these against the side of the garage so I can still fit the car in. And then when I am ready to work, I just roll it into the middle of the garage, and then I can walk around. These are actually 2 work tables clamped together, because I'm working on the wing right now and it's that long. So in fact, here you can see I'm pushing the table against the wall, and I knocked the camera over. But you can see how that works to move the tables against the wall, and I still have space for the car when I'm done working. And that makes it super easy to use the space and also still have my garage. Okay, and Tiffany is over helping me, what are we doing? Match drilling these wing walks, and I realized that I'm match drilling them on top, but they actually go on the bottom of the skin. So that's something I realized by reading the plans, because otherwise I would have put them on top like a moron, since that's where the wing walk is. And I thought, oh, well, I just put the wing walk over. But yeah, luckily I read the plans again and then realized, nope, that goes underneath, and the wing walk goes right there. So there's that. Oh, so another thing, you can kind of see the top right of the screen. This is what I would do if I was starting to build again. I installed a mini split. So I have cooling in the garage, and if I could go back 3 years, I would do that first, so I could have a climate controlled building area. Because I can't tell you how much I struggled with the giant portable swamp cooler that I had. Like setting up airflows and everything. I spent so much time on it, and I spent literally maybe 1 or 2 days installing the mini split. and then I just click a button and I have cold air. So if I could do things over again, I would install the mini split first before I bought any tools. Yeah, it has just been so nice to just go into the temperature controlled garage and be comfortable while I'm working. Like, you have no idea how how much that's a motivator to be able to get things done, is to be not uncomfortable. I also bought a like a Wi-Fi controller so I can set it, go down 30 minutes later, it's all cooled off, and then I have it on a timer so it automatically turns off. 10 o'clock, which lets me know it's time to go to bed, or I click the button and keep building for a second. Okay, anyway, the QR code has popped up, and that means it's time to say goodbye, and that I will see you in the next video, and invite you to join the Slack group by scanning the QR code. So I will see you there, and see you in the next video.